What you drink tonight could decide how your kidneys feel tomorrow. Every night, while you sleep, your kidneys keep working in silence. These two fist-sized organs filter nearly 50 gallons of blood a day, remove waste, balance fluids, regulate electrolytes, and help control blood pressure. But after 60 years of silent strain, from high blood pressure, mild inflammation, and hidden dehydration, begin to wear them down. The danger is subtle. Kidney problems often develop quietly, without pain or warning signs, until significant damage has already occurred. You may feel fine, yet inside, thousands of microscopic filters called nephrons are slowly breaking down. By the time symptoms appear, the decline can be difficult, or even impossible, to reverse. That's why gentle, daily support is essential, especially at night, when your body enters its natural repair mode. And here's something remarkable. Research shows that what you drink before bed can make a real difference. Certain natural drinks not only hydrate, they help lower creatinine, reduce inflammation, ease the load on your kidneys, and protect them from future harm. In this countdown, we'll reveal 11 bedtime drinks backed by science, each with a unique way to help your kidneys recover while you sleep. Some are vibrant herbal teas, others are simple ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. And number 1 on our list? It's the simplest, most powerful drink of all. And it's completely free. We begin our list with 2 simple, refreshing drinks that work quietly while you rest, hydrating your body, easing the load on your kidneys, and setting the stage for overnight repair. Cucumber water may look basic, but it's more than just flavored water. Cucumbers are over 95% water, making them a natural hydrator. But they also provide potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tannins. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major factors that gradually damage kidney tissue. Studies have shown cucumber extract can lower urea and creatinine in animal models under kidney stress, a promising sign of improved filtration. Drinking it 30 to 45 minutes before bed supports hydration during sleep without causing you to wake up frequently. For a gentle infusion, slice half a cucumber into thin rounds, add to a glass of filtered water, and let it sit for at least an hour. A few mint leaves or a slice of lemon can enhance both flavor and benefits. Barley water's another time-tested kidney ally, rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber. It helps remove waste products from the body while acting as a mild diuretic, encouraging steady urine flow without straining the kidneys. It also reduces urinary calcium and oxalate levels, key contributors to kidney stones. To prepare, rinse 2 tablespoons of pearl. Barley thoroughly. Boil in 4 cups of water for about 30 minutes until the grains are soft and the water turns slightly cloudy, then strain. Drink 1 cup in the evening, about an hour before bed, with optional lemon or cinnamon for added flavor. Both cucumber water and barley water are gentle enough for regular use and powerful enough to make a difference over time. They hydrate, soothe, and support your kidneys when they need it most, during the quiet hours of the night. Next, we'll explore a calming tea that not only aids kidney function, but also improves sleep quality, helping your body repair more effectively. From gentle hydration, we now move to a warm, calming drink that does more than soothe your mind. It actively supports kidney health while preparing your body for deep, restorative sleep. Chamomile tea has been cherished for centuries as a bedtime staple. Its mild, floral flavor relaxes the nervous system, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. But its benefits go far beyond relaxation. Chamomile contains apigenin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are major drivers of kidney damage, especially in older adults. By reducing these factors, chamomile helps protect delicate kidney tissues and improve their ability to filter waste efficiently. A clinical study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that patients with mild chronic kidney disease who drank chamomile tea regularly experienced improvements in kidney function markers, including a 14% reduction in blood urea nitrogen, BUN. Lower BUN levels mean the kidneys are doing a better job clearing waste from the blood. Meet Margaret Ellis, 66, who struggled with restless nights and slightly elevated BUN levels. At her doctor's suggestion, she began drinking a cup of chamomile tea every evening, about 30 minutes before bed. Within weeks, she noticed she was sleeping more soundly, waking up refreshed, and her follow-up blood tests showed a measurable improvement in kidney function. To prepare, steep 1 chamomile tea bag or 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm, ideally half an hour before bedtime. For extra relaxation, add a bit of lemon balm or a drop of honey. Chamomile tea's unique combination of kidney protection and sleep enhancement makes it an ideal nightly ritual for seniors. And next, we'll turn to 2 herbal allies known for their ability to gently flush the kidneys and keep them clear of harmful buildup. From a tea that soothes and restores, we now move to 2 herbal allies valued for their gentle cleansing power, helping the kidneys flush out excess waste, salts, and fluids during the night. Parsley tea may not be as well known as chamomile, but its kidney benefits are impressive. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and iron, parsley acts as a natural diuretic. This means it increases urine output, allowing the kidneys to clear waste and prevent the buildup that can lead to stones or irritation. A 2002 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that parsley extract significantly increased urine volume in test subjects, a clear sign of improved filtration. By reducing fluid retention, parsley tea helps your kidneys work with less strain, particularly at night when your body is in repair mode. To make it, wash and chop a small handful of fresh parsley, add to 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, and simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain, let it cool slightly, and drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. A squeeze of lemon can brighten the flavor and add extra antioxidants. Dandelion root tea is another time-honored kidney supporter. Known for its mild but effective diuretic properties, it helps the body produce more urine and remove waste more efficiently. It also contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that supports gut health, a benefit that indirectly aids kidney function by reducing systemic inflammation. Research published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that dandelion tea could increase urine output within just a few hours of consumption. To prepare, simmer 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root in water for about 15 minutes, strain, and drink warm about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. The earthy flavor can be softened with a cinnamon stick or a splash of lemon. Both parsley tea and dandelion root tea offer a gentle yet effective way to help your kidneys stay clear of harmful buildup overnight. Next, we'll turn to 2 brightly colored beverages that not only protect your kidneys, but also support heart health. After exploring gentle herbal cleansers, let's shift to 2 vibrant beverages that add color to your nightly routine, while protecting your kidneys and boosting overall circulation. Hibiscus tea stands out with its deep crimson hue and tangy floral taste. Packed with anthocyanins and other antioxidants, it helps combat inflammation and safeguard blood vessels. This matters greatly because high blood pressure is a major cause of kidney damage. By naturally reducing blood pressure, hibiscus tea eases the workload on the glomeruli, the delicate filters in your kidneys. Research in the Journal of Human Hypertension found that daily consumption lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 7.2 millimeters of mercury, comparable to some mild medications. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. Drink warm or chilled about an hour before bed. Adding cinnamon or ginger slices not only enriches the flavor, but also boosts anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger tea brings a different, but equally valuable, advantage. With its warm, slightly spicy flavor, ginger is rich in bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogaol, known for strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Since chronic inflammation quietly damages kidney tissue, calming it is essential. A 2012 study in renal failure showed that ginger extract improved kidney function in diabetic animal models, lowering creatinine and urea levels. For ginger tea, slice 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, simmer in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes, then strain. Enjoy warm 30 to 60 minutes before bed, adding lemon or honey for balance and extra antioxidants. Together, hibiscus and ginger teas offer a colorful, flavorful, and science-backed way to protect kidney function while promoting better circulation. Next, we'll discover 2 nighttime drinks that fight inflammation at its core and help guard against infections that threaten the kidneys. Moving from colorful herbal teas, we now arrive at 2 nighttime drinks that focus on healing from within, reducing inflammation, protecting against infection, and giving your kidneys a chance to recover. Turmeric milk, often called golden milk, is a warm, comforting drink with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Its key ingredient, curcumin, has been widely studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress, calm inflammation, and even slow fibrosis, the scarring that can impair kidney function. A 2020 clinical trial in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that chronic kidney disease patients taking curcumin showed a 22% improvement in estimated glomerular filtration rate, eGFR, and a significant drop in proteinuria, a warning sign of kidney damage. To make it, warm 1 cup of your preferred milk, dairy or plant-based, then stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, and, optionally, cinnamon or honey for flavor. Simmer gently for a few minutes and drink about an hour before bed. The warmth not only relaxes you, but also supports deeper sleep. The time when your kidneys perform much of their repair work, cranberry juice offers protection of a different kind. Known for preventing urinary tract infections, it contains proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent bacteria like E. coli from attaching to the urinary tract lining. This is critical because untreated UTIs can travel upward, inflaming and damaging the kidneys. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that women who consumed cranberry juice regularly had a 39% lower risk of recurring UTIs. Choose 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid excess sugar that can strain the kidneys. If it's too tart, dilute half a cup with water. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed, ideally after a light dinner, to let its protective compounds circulate overnight. Together, turmeric milk and cranberry juice form a powerful duo, one repairing and calming from within, the other guarding against infections that can silently harm your kidneys. Next, we'll uncover 2 final drinks that keep your kidneys' filtration system smooth and prevent stone formation. As we near the end of our list, we come to 2 of the simplest yet most essential drinks for maintaining smooth kidney filtration and preventing stone formation, both easy to prepare, yet powerful in their impact. Lemon water may seem humble, but its key component, citric acid, plays a critical role in kidney health. Citric acid binds to calcium in the urine, reducing the chance of crystals forming and hardening into kidney stones. It also raises urinary citrate levels, which can dissolve small stones before they become a serious problem. A 2008 study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who drank lemon juice daily experienced a 48% reduction in kidney stone recurrence without any medication. To prepare, squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature filtered water. Drink it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. The warmth helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively and is gentler on the stomach at night. Avoid adding sugar, as it can counteract the benefits and strain the kidneys. Plain water, the final drink in our countdown, might seem obvious, but no other beverage matches its fundamental role. Your kidneys are designed to filter waste from the blood and excrete it through urine, but they can only work efficiently when you are properly hydrated. Even mild dehydration can slow filtration, allow waste to build up, and increase the risk of stones and long-term kidney damage. Research in nephrology, dialysis. Transplantation found that people with higher daily water intake had lower rates of chronic kidney disease and acute kidney injury. Before bed, a small glass is enough, just enough to maintain gentle hydration overnight without disrupting sleep. If your urine is dark yellow in the morning, it's a sign your body needed more fluid during the night. Lemon water and plain water together provide the foundation and the protective boost your kidneys need. And now, we arrive at the conclusion, bringing all these habits together into a nightly routine that truly supports kidney health after 60. Over the past few minutes, we've explored 11 bedtime drinks, each with its own way of supporting your kidneys after 60. From hydrating cucumber water to nutrient-rich barley water, from calming chamomile to cleansing parsley and dandelion teas, from vibrant hibiscus and soothing ginger to restorative turmeric milk and protective cranberry juice, and finally to the simplicity of lemon water and plain water, every choice offers a step toward healthier kidneys. What makes these drinks powerful is not just their individual benefits, but the habit of including them as part of your nightly routine. When you provide your kidneys with hydration, anti-inflammatory compounds, and protection against infections and stones, you create an environment where they can work efficiently and repair themselves while you sleep. You don't need to add all 11 at once. Start with 1 or 2 that fit your taste and health needs, and rotate them through the week. Over time, these small, consistent steps can lower your risk of kidney decline, improve filtration, and boost your overall energy and well-being. Remember, your kidneys never take a night off. Give them the support they deserve, and they will serve you well in return. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed health advice. Here's to making every night an opportunity for your kidneys and your whole body to heal and thrive.